Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers, friends out there, everyone. This is a good sized stump that I've drilled out. Well, I drilled an angled hole down in right here, and the vertical hole down there. I'm glad I wasn't sitting in front of my exit hole. Because I would have gotten flame on. Now watch this. The volcano is about to go. I've got this thing turned off. Let's see what it'll do if it turned it on. Alright, turn it off. Anyway, maybe I should have waited on this one, because it was pretty cool. Waited till Bill got back, but we used to always enjoyed sitting around a thing like this and just talking. Pretty cool. I've got a old mineral tub where the bottom was eaten out, so I'm going to put that over around it before I go to bed, and I've burned everything off around it, so it's pretty well clear. Anyway, this will probably burn for, oh, it'll be interesting, a few days. When I poured the oil in, it came out all the, he had chainsawed down, I think it was probably Bill. Chainsawed almost down to the ground in about 10 places. See where the oil came out, and that's where the flames are coming out on the far side and this side. I can't call this words from a watch fire, but just thought I'd light it up and do a video. I may end this one and sit here and contemplate and think, and then do another video. So, take a pool on, y'all can comment and say how long is this going to burn. 2 days, 3 days. It'll be a while. I mean, it's lit up in all the cross hairs, so cross sections, so it'll probably take, I would guess, maybe a day. You can see the glow. That's just a spark down there, but those two lines there, the V, that's burning. Burning down there. It's burning all the way down. But the rocket part that I wanted to work isn't working. Kind of funny. Even though I've blasted it good, I don't see any flames coming out of that hole. And it's clear. I can stick a rebar down in both holes, and I can tap them and they can hit each other, so there is air flow in there. It might take eventually. Just so much air coming in from the cross cuts that it's not balanced out. You know, you should have like a 2-inch intake, 2-inch port, 2-inch exhaust, and it's not balanced out well. So that's why that's not working. And it may never fire off. It'll just burn down around it. Oh well. Shades of Al Gore. I drove by a field the other day that I kind of wanted to take a picture of. You know, they'd bulldozed all the trees into big piles, and there was about 12, 13 huge piles. And someday they'll light them all off and burn them up. Oh, they're not sequestering that CO2, that carbon dioxide. They're sending it up into the atmosphere. Global warming, global warming. Global warming always precedes an ice age. Alright. Alright, this is Jerry Diamond. If you're listening to this, you're the remnant. Or you're the remnant if you're listening to this. Oh, smoke's coming in my face. It's got a lot of motor oil in it too. Yeah, it cleared. Alright, anyway. Enjoy. Good night. Yahweh bless everyone that's listening and hearing and listening.